Welcome back, this is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing well. So I've come up with this amazing face pack today. It's really good for your skin. It soothes your skin. If you have any redness, any irritation, that will definitely go. And also if you have acne marks, like I have a few marks here, so you can get rid of that too with camphor. I'm going to add camphor to this face pack. So this face pack is really simple. The only ingredient that you might require is some sandalwood powder and camphor, and we're just going to add some water and mix it, and that'll be a face pack. So I'm going to show you how to make this face pack. So let's start now. So for this I'm going to take some sandalwood powder. So I've added about 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. To this I'm going to take camphor. I'm just going to take like half a tablet of camphor. Then I'm going to crush it and add it to this. Now I'm going to add some water to this. Just about half a teaspoon. This paste should be a little thick. So I'm going to mix this really well now. So now I'm going to apply this on my face. So guys, I've applied this. I'm going to let it stay for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let this dry completely, and then I'm going to wash my face. So guys, this is dried now. I'm going to wash my face and I'll be right back. So guys, I have just washed my face, and the marks have slightly reduced, and you should do it at least twice a week. This will definitely give you like really good results. Do try it and let me know in the comment section below, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.